factor group, let G be a group and H is normal subgroup of G, then the set G by H which contains the left coset. But because H is normal, so left coset equal to right coset, is a group under the operation AH BH is equal to ABH. So first we check the operation is well defined. That means if we operate this, can we find this result? Simple technique we can adopt, like if I take AH BH, I can write, because all the elements in AH BH are from G and G is associative, so this I can write AHB equal to H, because H is normal, so HB is equal to BH. That means this we can say A BH H, and this I can say AB HH, and HH again is equal to H. This means ABH. Otherwise let AH equal to A dash H and BH equal to B dash H. That means A dash is equal to AH1 or HI for some H1 belong to H. Similarly, B dash is equal to BH2 for some H2 belong to H. Now A dash B dash H equal to, what is the value of A dash? AH1, and B dash is BH2H. Now this H, because this I can write equal to AH1BH, because H is element of H, so H2 is equal to H. So this can insert inside H. This I can write AH1HB. Why? Because H is normal, because HB is equal to BH. H is normal, so for each B belong to or any element of G, we can write this left coset equal to right coset. Now this H again insert it. This I can write AHB, and this again using this we can write ABH. So the operation is well defined. If we take two equal element and we take product, then the product is same. So operation is well defined. So operation is well defined. Number one, closure property. It is given. Obviously, the operation I have deleted. Closure property clearly, or you can say given as for AH BH belong to G by H, we have AH BH equal to AB, or if I take bracket, or no need, okay, I complete this ABH. It is by definition. Number 2, easy to prove associativity easy to prove. Again, the identity element, what is identity element? Number 3, EH, this is equal to obviously H, is identity as AH EH. So by definition of closure property, this we can write AEH, and this is we can write AH. Or similarly from right side, or from here also you can write EAH, that is EH AH. So identity exists. Number 4, inverse. For A inverse belong to G. So for AH, A inverse H is inverse of AH, that is AH, A inverse H is equal to A inverse H, that is EH, or this is H. So this is inverse, hence G by H is group.